Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable confirm payment with Assistive Touch. So for the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to enable confirm payment with Assistive Touch, all you need to do is go ahead and press the icon once to exit the watch face. Locate and click on the settings gear icon. On the settings page, scroll down and then click on accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down the accessibility page until you get to motor, and under motor, locate and click on Assistive Touch. Once you selected Assistive Touch, make sure Assistive Touch is turned on. So this allows you to control your Apple Watch using hand gesture. Now scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to where you say side button confirmation. Confirm with Assistive Touch. Use Assistive Touch to confirm payment with passcode or anytime double click the side button is required. Then turn this on, and then support that says set up to use Assistive Touch for double click. Now scroll down and click on continue. Then it should say set up, use Assistive Touch for double click, then double click the side button to set it up. Then you'll be prompted to type in your Apple Watch passcode, type it, then double click to confirm again. Then it should fill the haptics and then hang on. Once it is set up, then it should say confirm with Assistive Touch enabled, and then you are good. So whenever you want to make a payment and then you double tap the side button, this is going to confirm the payment. You say confirm with Assistive Touch is enabled, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to enable confirm with Assistive Touch on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.